Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like this. And from here we are looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which Xiaomi doesn't actually label their toggles for some reason. So you can either click on edit to figure out which one is which, but I can already see it. It's right over here. That's our Do Not Disturb mode. It looks like a moon icon. Once you see it, you can hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings, and then here we're just going to scroll down to Do Not Disturb. You want to click on this, and this will present you with all the settings that you have access to. Now the most important ones here will be things like notify about calls. You can select to notify about no calls, favorite contacts, just contacts, or anyone. Now one more additional thing associated with the calls is this option below, which is notify about repeated calls. If someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, with this being enabled, they will bypass whatever you have selected right over here. Now that is only if they call you twice within a 15-minute period. Now last option here is the schedule mode. So you can select a completely automatic schedule. You can set the name for it, start time, which make it 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. for instance, and then repeat every. You can choose the days of the week. By default all of them will be selected, so maybe you want a Monday to Friday, so deselect Saturday and Sunday. And now when checked, this will add a schedule to your Do Not Disturb mode. Now when you set it up for the first time, it automatically becomes enabled, and assuming that it is under this time frame, so from 10 a.m. till 7 p.m., it will automatically turn on, which you can see it is enabled for me because it is 3:49, falling under the Do Not Disturb timer. Anyway, once turned off, it will actually automatically turn itself off as well. This is schedule alone. And for everyone that wants to use it manually, just from like random occasions, just find the toggle once it's all set, and you can simply tap on the toggle to enable it. That being said, when doing this manually, you will need to remember to turn it off yourself as well. Otherwise, the mode would be running indefinitely in the background. So find the toggle once more and tap on it again to disable it. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.